In our last exercise for the day, we're gonna do a little bit of wall ball. So you wanna grab a ball, find a wall, come out, squat down, and throw the ball up as high as you can.
In the arms of the angels, fly away.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This time I want to show you a little upper body circuit that you can do inside the gym that's going to require minimal equipment, but it's still going to give you a great workout. All right, so for the workout, all you need is a dumbbell, a TRX, and a mat. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 4 rounds. It's gonna be 15 reps of each exercise. So grab your dumbbell, grab your mat, get your TRX ready, and let's go. So exercise number 1, we're gonna come down to the ground, get the chest warmed up. We're gonna do some push-ups. So set up with a straight line from the back of the head through the heels. The whole body travels together as we come down and press back up. We're gonna knock out 15 of these. And if from the toes is too difficult for you, you can always come down, drop the knees to the ground, and do your push-ups that way. Second exercise, we're gonna do a back movement. This is gonna be working the lats and the biceps, and the muscles that are up in your upper back. We're gonna use our TRX. So you wanna set this up where the handles are about hip height. If you guys missed out on my TRX 101 video, make sure you go check that out. I will link that down in the description below. But come up under it, hips up, shoulders back, pull yourself up till the bottom handles touch the ribs, and back down. Once again, we're gonna knock out 15 of these. So now we're gonna work on our shoulders, and we're gonna come down to the half kneeling position. So one knee is down, other knee is up. You want to have a 90-degree angle at the knees, at both of them. Squeeze the glute of the down leg. It's going to help provide stability. Keep the core nice and tight. Whichever side has that leg down, that's the side our weight is on. Press that arm straight up and back, and come back down. When you're at the top, you should be able to see past that arm. Keep the bicep by the ear. Go up and down. 15 reps. Switch. Same thing on the other side. Now we're going to throw a little bit of core into the workout too. I want you to come down, elbow plank position. Keep a nice straight line from the back of the head through the heels. Pick up 1 foot at a time. March back and forth. We're going 15 on each leg or 30 total. All right, guys, for our final exercise, we're going to do a little bit of wall ball. So this is going to get the heart rate up. You want to grab a ball, come up to the wall, stand a couple of feet back. First you squat down, come back up. When you come back up, you want to throw it. It looks like this. Remember to try to catch it back in that squat. Coming up and down.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
All right, so just to recap, we got 4 rounds, 15 reps. Try to get through the workout as fast as possible. This is meant to be something that you can do pretty much anywhere with minimal equipment, and it's gonna get your heart rate up. It's gonna get you a good workout. It's gonna get you sweating, as you can see like it did to me. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. And leave a comment down below if there's anything you want me to cover in a future video, and I'll do my best to get it out to you. So until the next video, you guys stay fit. I'll see you in the next one.